In spite of the challenge, our import had the early foul trouble. And then, going back to the end game, na wala pa rin siya last 3 minutes, the local stepped up. Everyone stepped up. Guys from the bench responded. Whenever you have that, it means that the team and the system is working for us.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Now, with 4 games in, what are their improvements are you seeing that are needed to be made to ensure that you close out the games?
Well, continue on what we did well, controlling their bigs, of course, their number 1 net. At the same time, yung mga shooters nila, and passing it off on the rebounds. Just making ourselves have a chance to go, wag magpakiwan, just stay with them, and some way somehow be able to steal it towards the end game. Again, ano na lang yun, last game to ng series. For sure, they are on a somehow they are mas magiging sharp sila going to that game. But it's just 1 game, so it's all the stats, all the adjustments would be there on that 1 game, and we just have to play the same energy, the same sharpness, the same togetherness that we played today.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Now, Shawnee, you guys were down 2 games. How does it feel like to win the next 2, knowing that you now have the possibility of fulfilling a reverse sweep in the next game?
It feels really good, especially going down 0-2, and especially San Miguel is such a strong team. So pushing into Game 5 is definitely what we wanted to do in the beginning, and I feel like we all came out today and played as a team and executed really well.
Shawnee, looking at the team today, you guys erupted with a 37-point third quarter, but what was it in particular that helped you lead the team in terms of scoring?
Well, I mean, Alec had 8 assists, I had 5 assists, Justin had 4 assists, and we're all pretty good scorers, and us sharing the ball like that is something special. So we just really sharing the ball and showing love to each one of our players.
Congratulations. You think momentum right now is good for challenge was the last 2 games of the series?
Well, if you go up against a perennial championship contender, valuable lang yung win. And again, magiging everything will be wala nang, I mean, the stats will be out, momentum will be out. It's just 1 game, so whoever would want it more, however cliche that may sound, yun ang makakuha. Wala nang panag-uusapan dito na history, na stats, na winning streak. Wala losing streak, wala winning streak. It will boil down to that 1 game. It will be a dog fight on Sunday.
Coach, what do you think Converge did the last 2 games para mag-tie ng series?
Well, I think we were able to, yung first 2, we were there. We believe we were there. It's just that hindi namin ma-close out. Yung 3rd game, we won with the cliffhanger. Ngayon, medyo somehow, medyo sinuwerte kami to today. But with all those games, I think we played as a team, but more than that, we believe. Nung last interview ko last game, we just banked on hope. Kasi we are down 0-2. We banked on hope, and the second one is green. So hope and green. On Sunday, we will be in the hope and green.
Coach, kasi sabi mo nga going to Game 5 facing a San Miguel team, kumbaga parang sila yung favorites pa din. Do you think that would be an advantage to you, yung siguro nothing to lose kayo, everything to gain?
Yeah, I believe so. Whenever, I believe kahit na nakadikta kami ng somehow momentum with the 2 wins, but they also have 2 wins. And we have to win 1 game, they have to win 1 game. So, baliwala na yun. I mean, they are so poised and they are so strong, and they are just have good players there, good coaches there na maapektuhan ng ganun. I think talagang they would be ready for the game on Sunday. So we will be ready as well. That we can promise.
Shawnee, for some of you guys, this Game 5 probably the biggest game of your PBA career. What does it mean on getting one on Sunday against powerhouse team like San Miguel?
What we did so far, it's really good. We did as a team, but we fought and clawed just for the beginning. What we did here, we all fought for it just for the game, to get the game on Sunday, and that's really what we're focused on now. This is a great win, and we really got to learn what we can do to get better to make sure we can secure the win on Sunday.
No more? Good. Ay, meron pa.
Johnny, just your thoughts of playing your first do-or-die game in the PBA.
I'm excited. It'll be fun, especially playing against San Miguel. So
This is his third door.
yeah, so this is the third one.
Yeah.
It's been fun, and I'm excited. We love basketball. This is what we're here for. This is why we're all watching and playing. This is what we love to do. We're just thankful we get to make a career out of it, and I'm just really grateful for it all.
All right, and that sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again, gentlemen.
Pamilya niya po.